In this video, I'm going to show you how to cloud mine XENBLOCKS. XENBLOCKS is a new blockchain very much in the testing or experimental stage. The blocks or coins aren't worth anything yet, so I'm just doing this to kind of experiment with it, and maybe it could potentially be worth something in the future. I just started this yesterday, about 22 hours ago, and I'm paying about $10 a day. And this is the output that I'm getting. So I guess I'm in the top 10,000 rank for miners. I've mined 17 regular blocks, and I think you get 10 XNM per block. And then we also have these XUNI blocks, and I've mined 31 of those. From the research that I've done, doesn't seem like anyone knows what those are. So if you do know what you're doing, if you do know what this stuff is, definitely comment below. I'm just kind of hopping in and trying to figure this out and showing you what I did to make it work. So what I did is I came to vast.ai. I'll put my link in the description. I think I'll get a little bit of money if someone signs up through my link or something, so that's pretty cool. So I have this instance right here. I have one instance running. It has all these numbers. I don't know what they mean. Some more computer savvy people can hop in the comments if people have questions, but this is what I got. I can hover over this and it's gonna show me what I'm paying. So $9.60 per day, about 40 cents an hour. So I just figured this is about $10 a day that I'm paying to mine XENBLOCKS and see what happens. And that's money that I can afford to lose, that I can afford to risk. I don't know how long I'll mine these for, but I'll try it out for a little bit. The first thing you want to do is sign up, make an account. Then you want to go to the billing. You're going to add a card, add your credit card, and then you're going to want to click add credit. And you can add credit to your account and it'll show up here in the top right. So I added $10, then I added $20 more, so $30 credit total. I'll just keep adding more as I need it. And basically this just spends your credit as the instance runs. So what I did to get started is I went to templates, then I scrolled down under popular, and I clicked Zen GPU miner. I clicked edit, and then basically you just replace this Ethereum address with your Ethereum address. So I can do that real quick. Hit select and save. And then this is going to give me all of the renting options. So actually I could cancel mine and get this one a little bit cheaper. I might do that right after I make this video. But you're just going to click the rent button and it's automatically going to start. Then you're going to have this instance. And it's going to be running, and you'll magically mine XENBLOCKS. Let me refresh this. So I did just get one more block. By the way, this is zen.pub. You just come into tracker XENBLOCKS and put in your Ethereum address, and it'll track it and show you all of your data. So yeah, vast.ai, do what I just said, and you'll start mining XENBLOCKS for about $10 a day. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.